In the last video, we talked about credit scores, cards, mistakes that haunt you, and investing for Gen Z. Start with $10. As promised, today we're diving into Chapter 7, Side Hustles That Actually Pay. Not just hype in Chapter 8, How to Build Wealth in Your 20s, a framework that works. You've probably heard it 100 times. Just start a side hustle. But most advice feels like a scam, flipping NFTs, dropshipping fake watches, or surveys that pay $0.30 for your soul. So let's fix that. Here are realistic, legit side hustles that Gen Z can start with low skill and low capital, and how to grow them into real income streams. Category 1. Time for money side hustles. These pay you for tasks. You do the work, you get paid. 1. Freelance skills. Copywriting, editing, social media management, design. Start on Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. Use ChatGPT to speed up writing and research. 2. Tutoring or teaching. Tutor English online, Preply, Cambly. Offer skills-based lessons, music, coding, math. Pay $10, $30/her depending on topic. 3. Delivery or gig apps. Uber Eats, Wolt, DoorDash. Amazon Flex, Bolt, Glovo. Good for weekend grinding or goal-based earnings. Category 2. Digital income grows over time. These require setup but can pay long-term. 1. Content creation, like this channel. YouTube, TikTok, Medium. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or your own products. Start small, one platform, one topic. 2. Print on demand. Design t-shirts or mugs on Canva. Sell on Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring. No inventory, just creativity. 3. Notion templates or digital downloads. Create planners, budgets, habit trackers. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy. High ROI for simple, helpful tools. Category 3. Local/real-world side gigs. Don't forget, offline equals opportunity too. 1. Dog walking or pet sitting. Use Rover, Wag, or local Facebook groups. Quick sign-up, flexible hours. 2. Event assistant or part-time bartender. Weddings, conferences, or clubs. Get paid $80, $200 per shift. 3. Reselling. Flip thrift store clothes, sneakers, or electronics. Use Depop, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Side hustle truth. Not every hustle is passive. Most take time to build. But one can turn into your full-time income, and everyone teaches you a skill that builds wealth. Choose one that fits your time, your talents, and your tolerance. Then stick with it. Chapter 8. How to Build Wealth in Your 20s, a framework that works. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth, but you do need a system. Here's how to build wealth that actually lasts, not just get quick cash. Think of your finances like a pyramid. Layer 1. Stability. Start here before anything else. Pay your essentials: rent, food, transport. Build a small emergency fund, $500, $1,000. Get out of toxic debt. This layer equals survival. It protects your future self from crisis. Layer 2. Growth. Once you're stable, shift to growing your income. Learn new skills. Start a side hustle. Apply for higher-paying jobs or negotiate raises. Invest consistently, even just $10/month. Growth makes room for wealth. Every extra $100 you make can be split between saving, investing, and enjoying life. Layer 3. Freedom. This is when money starts working for you. Compound interest from investments. Passive income from content, templates, real estate. Multiple income streams, job plus hustle plus investing. The goal isn't to retire early and sit on a beach. The goal is choice, to work when you want, for what matters. Wealth is measured in freedom, not just dollars. Many habits that matter. Want to build wealth without burnout? Do these every week. Track your spending. Save at least $10. Learn one new money concept. Review one goal: income, debt, investment. Celebrate small wins. Small habits, long-term wealth. In the next video, we're going to talk about Chapter 9, Final Blueprint, how to manage your money forever. So stay tuned and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Start small, stay consistent. Cheers.